Hello kids, let us read a story. Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, Daniel's Potty Time. Hi neighbor, said Daniel Tiger. We are meeting Katrina at the market today. We are going to pick up toppings and make veggie pizza. You should try to go potty before you leave the house, said Mom Tiger. I don't have to go potty, replied Daniel. He just wanted to go meet Katrina. Okay, said Mom, but remember there is no potty on trolley. Mom and Daniel buckled up on trolley. They sang, we are going to get some vegetables to make a special lunch. Won't you ride along with me? Then Daniel stopped singing. He started wiggling in his seat. Daniel realized that he needed to go potty, but there was no potty on trolley. We will have to stop, turn around, and go back home, said Mom. But Katrina is waiting for us at the market. Daniel was worried. What if she leaves? The most important thing right now is to listen to your body, said Mom. Then she sang, do you have to go potty? Maybe yes, maybe no. Why don't you sit and try to go? Okay, I'll do that, said Daniel. Once they got home, Daniel went to the potty. He was not sure if he was done yet, so he sang, do you have to go potty? Maybe yes, maybe no. Why don't you sit and try to go? Daniel sat and waited some more. While he waited, Daniel played an one spy game. One I spy with my tiger eye something with a big blue tail, my whale. I spy with my tiger eye something that stays afloat, my boat. I spy with my tiger eye something that can make me clean, the soap. Daniel wiped, flushed, and washed his hands. Then he was on his way. Now we can head to the market, said Mom. But Mom, said Daniel, you didn't go to the potty. Do you have to go potty? Maybe yes, maybe no. Why don't you sit and try to go? Because there is no potty on trolley. Mom laughed. Daniel was right. She went to the potty too. Then they were ready to go to the market again. When they got to the neighborhood market, Daniel couldn't find Katrina anywhere. Maybe she went home, Daniel said sadly. Mom and Daniel decided to pick out the veggie pizza toppings before looking for Katrina at the tree house. Katrina was at the tree house. Hi Katrina, Daniel said. Can you still come over for lunch? Yes, meow meow, Katrina replied. Veggie pizza is so yummy in my tummy. Once they arrived at Daniel's house, Daniel and Katrina ran into the kitchen to wash their hands. Mom Tiger rolled out the dough and spread the tomato sauce. Daniel sprinkled cheese and broccoli on top. Katrina added her favorite bell peppers. Daniel wanted to keep cooking, but his tummy started to hurt. When your tummy hurts, that might mean you need to go poop. Mom said, do you have to go potty? Maybe yes, maybe no. Why don't you sit and try to go? Daniel waited on the potty. He did have to poop. Then he wiped, flushed, and washed his hands. He was ready to cook again. The veggie pizza turned out delicious. Next time before you leave the house, you can try going to the potty too, said Daniel. Aga maga. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.